Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just quickly introduce what is pronunciation.
Pronunciation means the way in which a word or letter is said or said correctly, or the way in which a language is spoken.
Which. Yeah.
Coming to the tongue twisters. So what are tongue twisters? You must have done this all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what do you think? What are tongue twisters?
Ma'am, these are the words when we say a tongue twist.
Ma'am, we have to.
Ma'am, they are
I mean, as fast we can say the sentence.
One by one. Yes. So these are the words that are strung together. These are some similar sounding words that are strung together. But why do you think we have tongue twisters? Just to have fun?
Improve our pronunciation, ma'am.
Very good. Pronunciations. Yes, Mohammed. It is to improve our pronunciation. So, shall we start with the first tongue twister?
Yes, ma'am.
And read it.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Today we will be discussing about some of the tips for perfect English pronunciation. Very first tip is listen to yourself. Now, how many of you try to listen yourself? Now, next is slow down. Now, many of us think that speaking fluently means we need to speak fast.
Let's sing a song. So ma'am will explain you how, and then Aditi ma'am is here for the same.
Look at the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities.
Great pleasure and a great privilege to be here this evening. Today, I'm going to tell you a story, ghost story. Let's start the story. Detective Rathod shuffled on the dark and silent Watson's speech. Emma Watson was appointed 7 years ago, and the most she has spoken about feminists.
Thank you, ma'am. I am going to speak about Malala Yousafzai.
3 comedy. Detective Rathod stumbled around the dark corner and flattened himself.
The noises of the city faded, dulled, and were replaced by people's sounds. A gaggle of children clapping out nursery rhymes. Thank you.